The family of a woman recovering from burns suffered in New Zealand's volcano disaster says she's very traumatised after learning of her husband and daughter's deaths. Lisa Dallow only recently woke from a coma weeks after she was rescued from White Island. Brett McLeod reports.
As Lisa Dallow was brought out of an induced coma at the Alfred Hospital's burns unit, her family knew at some point they'd have to give her terrible news.
We've got to be careful, evidently, what we say to her because she's very traumatised by what has happened and gets quite emotional.
Having survived the White Island disaster with burns to more than 50% of her body, Lisa was considered well enough to learn what the rest of the world already knew. Among the 21 victims were her husband Gavin and 15-year-old daughter Zoe.
She got quite emotional and there's some things I sort of not told her everything.
Gavin has already been laid to rest in their hometown of Adelaide. Zoe's funeral was contingent on her mother's recovery. The psychological trauma Lisa has suffered learning about the deaths of her husband and daughter is enormous. But her physical battle is far from over.
Not entirely out of the woods, but her skin graft seems to be working well and she's communicatable at least one day a week.
When she's considered well enough to leave hospital, it's estimated she'll face 6 months of rehabilitation. Life in the wake of the tragedy continues to present challenges.
Oh, we have our moments. We've got his case here, but we haven't unpacked it yet. That'll be the next thing to do.
Brett McLeod, 9 News.